Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we will unbox and review these INNO64 NSX Rocket Bunny B2 AERO on 1:64 scale, and I bought these at the show. And let's open it. So I get these below MSRP from a collector, and it was nice. NSX Rocket Bunny INNO64 Pandem. Nice box. Let's see. Let's open it. The good thing about INNO64 is their packaging. Their packaging is awesome. They have this acrylic case included, and as you can see, it has a nice base with a name on the front. Let's see if we can take it out from the base. Like I said before, I started collecting 1:64 now because the details on this one are awesome. Yeah. Awesome. There you are. Now it's focusing. Has some nice decals on it. The only thing is the base is plastic compared to a mini GT. Some Kaido houses, mini GT cars, the base is metal, the chassis I mean, but this one is like lit. Yeah, nice color too. Huh, I'm getting fun with these small detail cars. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope you guys like it, and hope you guys love it, so you have the reason to share it. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. See you guys on the next one. Bye.